Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the Android phone. First you will need to turn on your smartband and you can do it by plugging it into charger. Once you plug it into charger, the smartband should turn itself on automatically. After the band turns on, you can wake up the screen by pressing the side button, the touch sensitive button right here on the side, and you should see this on the screen. This means we need to pair the smartband with the phone. To do it, we need to download and install the Fitbit application on our phone. So let's open the Play Store on our phone. I'm gonna select apps, tap right here, type in Fitbit and tap search. And once you see this page, Fitbit App developed by Fitbit Inc., tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Once the application opens, you need to log in into a Fitbit account. You can also create a new account by tapping on Join Fitbit right here. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on Login, tap right here, enter the email address, then tap right here, enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, then you can tap on Login. And once you log in, you should see the Today page in the app. Now, tap on the profile icon right here in the top left corner. Here, tap on Set up a device. Now, scroll through the list of devices, find the Charge 4, tap on it, tap on Setup, tap on OK. Here, scroll down, tap on Accept, then tap Next. And here we need to allow some permissions like location. And you can do it by tapping on the messages that have exclamation point next to them. Tap to fix. You can allow the permission. And also once the background location for some reason, you can tap on it and tap on allow all the time to confirm. But you can also tap on continue without location, but I'm not sure you're gonna be able to pair the devices if you disable the location permission. So you can try do that. I'm not sure it's gonna work, but I'm gonna allow it all the time. The app will say that we are all set. We can tap on done. And now, as you can see, it found the tracker, the smartband. Now we need to enter the code from our band. So 6888. Okay, and once you see this on the screen, tap on OK. Then tap Next, 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 and Next. Basically, you have a tutorial how to use the band. You can go through it, then tap Next. And finally, you should see the Done button. Tap on it. Here we can buy the Fitbit Premium if you want to. You can tap on Start Trail, and there you can set up the Premium. I'm just gonna tap on X right here in the top left corner to skip this, close this. And once you're done, you should see the Charge 4 right here on the list of devices connected to your phone on the account page. You can tap on it to open the device page for your Charge 4, and now you should be also able to use your smartband. This. And that's how you pair this smartband with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.